Hello viewers! In this video, I will show you how to download and install Flow plugins in After Effects. The first thing you need to do is download the Flow plugin. The download link is given in my pinned comment or description. After download, extract the folder and enter the password. Then press OK. Then open the folder and copy Flow v 1.5.2 folder. Then go to This PC, C drive, Open Program File, x86, Common File, Adobe, CEP, Extension, and paste the folder.
Superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want
Then again, open the folder and double-click the registry file or run the folder. Then check Yes, OK, and close the folder. After complete the installation, open After Effects. Then click Edit, Preference, General, go to Scripting and Expressions, then click and check Allow scripts to write files and access network, and press OK. After complete this setting, restart After Effects.
So remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not.
Create a new composition. Click OK. Then go to Windows, Extension, Flow, and one pop-up will be open. Then click OK. Then your After Effects ready to use Flow plugin. If you face any problems, let me know in comments. If you like this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorials. Thanks for watching.